It's pretty rare that you go into a bakery and you see the variety of things that O&H has. All made fresh daily, all made from scratch.
If I had to tell the world one thing about this place is that we love what we do.
We have the best bakery.
My name's Eric Olesen. I'm third generation owner of O&H Danish Bakery and now president emeritus.
And I'm Lisa Olesen and married to Eric, and I'm involved in the bakery because of our marriage.
It started with my great-grandfather. He immigrated to Racine from Denmark. So my grandfather came over as a young man. He learned the trade of baking. After 25 years of doing that for others, he opened up one of his own with a partner. They opened in 1949. My dad was 16 at the time. He worked in the bakery and decided to give it a try. I have two brothers. By 1982, all of us were working in the bakery with our parents, and then eventually our spouses, and then time marches on.
It's exciting to be part of a generational company. Here we are on the fourth, hopefully someday going on the fifth. My go-to pastry, of course, is Kringle. It's such a unique and awesome pastry.
When you bring them one, they're like, what's that? And it's Kringle. And they're like, potato chips? I said, no, it's a Danish pastry. And then they try it, and then they become your best friend and like, when are you gonna bring me more Kringle?
The bakery has really been special for so many people, both customers and employees alike.
They really do show that they care about the families of everyone, wanting to make sure that you're happy with what you do.
I'm living Kringle. Been living Kringle for 22 years because they treat me like family. It makes me feel like home when I come here.
We don't intentionally grow, but we grow because our customers love what we're doing.
People keep coming back for more because they've done it the same way for 75 years.
We're here for our customer day in and day out, making products the right way and always improving.
We're really looking forward to the next 75 years.
75 years of running, owning, operating, growing a bakery. That's profound.
I wish his dad and his grandpa could come down here and stand here and just see what it is today.
Our employees, both current and past and future, our customers, our community, we so much appreciate what you've done.